So we bring you greetings from His Majesty Otumfuo the Second, the Asanteman, our patron, Her Royal Highness Lady Julia Osei-Tutu, to our board chair, Nana Professor Ohineba Boache Ejewahine the Second, and on behalf of Otumfuo Osei-Tutu the Second Foundation, we present these items to the Manhyia Hospital. And this gesture reflects our deep commitment to improving the lives of Asanteman and all the communities within here. We are presenting 6 air conditioners, three executive decks, 3 executive chairs. We have 1 big sterilizer machine, 5 hospital beds, and 3 buckets of paint. We are donating all these to the Manhyia Hospital, proudly sponsored by Asanteman, UK. Thank you.
Hey, clap. Big thing.
So this is from Otumfuo to the Second Foundation. We are happy to do this with you.
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes. We are thankful to the King for this gesture. I remember very well when the structure that was here was being broken down. I asked, will we ever enter this building before I go on pension? And Mr. Odro and Co said, don't worry, within 2 years we will be done. And we have seen this building. We can only say thank you to the Asanteman Group UK. We want to assure you that even though the building is not complete to our status, the way we want it to be done, we are still working to move the administration block there. The purpose of it is being achieved. These assorted items that we have today will increase the operationalization of the building. We have already started. The theater is functioning, the labor wards are all functioning, but we needed these items to complete the maternity extension as promised by the Otumfuo Foundation. So we are much grateful for this, and we can assure you that this will go a long way to improve the healthcare of the people of Asanteman. Thank you so much for this gesture.
Nana Opokuare. Ayo Otumfuo ne nana baako. Na Asanteman UK ekuo bi a charity foundation UK memu. Na yewura ene ka kye me se menka na de hye nyina mom na yetimi enye bibi moa ye ho yetimi fa meboa de oye Kumase so. De ampa yehu se yewura wa hye Manhyia maternity wing na se. Enti yeso ye adwe se yeso ye beboa ama yewura ni suade hunu no awie peye. Enti ye keka ye ho bomu landfo nyina da ye keka ye ho bomu ye sika twitwiridie na yewura ba land no ene ye tutu na nim no se ene tsade a emra ye fa ntoto niema Manhyia Hospital no ne fa embre wo. Enti mi ba ahomje be ba ye no na Otumfuo Foundation ka chem se sika na ye de ba ye no niema no etoto no awie enti wo de ba enti memra na ye nyina ye mfa emra ma hospital no enti ene ye akwanya no ba ya ba ye de aba beboa na enye we nko a ene ye niema bebre nkola bi beda ahasei na wo yare wo timi nyunso ye na wo ni sika na wo ma ya sote ye no ye betu aka nyina ma nkola ye sesei wo nyina ho ato Asanteman Asanteman UK ho ma Asanteman UK ho ma yewura ene da no ono na semenka na de hye nyina mom enti kwanya we no me de besere UK fo nyina se wo nyina moa na ye bibia wo nyina yi ne ntimi fa mbeye Konfanochi Hospital ne ntimi fa ne tuma pefra ne ewura Manhyia Hospital. Na yɛwura ni so ade hu na ɔpɛ sɛ Manhyia fa ne tuma pɛfra no ɛtumi adi mu. Yɛ kɛsika dodoɔ na ɛyɛ last year no na yɛ sɛ meka sɛ £7,000. £7,000 na yɛde bɛbaeɛ a yɛde atotɔ nneɛma wei nyinaa. Nneɛma wei nyinaa bed wom, air conditions wom, nkonnwa wom, nneɛma a ehia ma maternity no ɛno ɛho ɛna wɔn de hwɛ ɛtotɔ yɛ ɛma a wɔn de ɛbaeɛ. Nana Opokuware, me na meyɛ nkukuaboa ho abusua panyin. Na me nso na yɛwura Otumfuo dɔsɔmienu wɔde mato n'asantefoɔ ano ɛwɔ UK ɛyɛ Asanteman UK. Na Asanteman UK ni nso so no yɛasan bɛte bi wɔ ha a akɔsidan ne awukude biara no wɔn kɔ Manhyia ekosiesie hɔ sɛdeɛ yɛwura ne suade hunu sɛ yɛma yɛasante ho hia yɛn no yɛwura tu a ɛna yɛtie mu wɔhyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ asante ahonidie ɛba so no ɛna yɛfɔme Asanteman UK ɛwɔ kurom a mmerɛ no nyinaa no wɔn nenam a wɔn prapra ɛdi Kumasi ni.
Nnɛ deɛ Manhyia government hospital yate dende paa mekai sɛ ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ yɛyɛ maternity block no na ɛyɛ den paa yɛdwen kwan yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛnya nneɛma egu mu deɛ siwie no Asanteman UK adaroma ɔmo aboa bebree nti nnɛ aha yɛbaeɛ sɛ yɛde nneɛma a ɛbɛboa ma maternity block no akɔ n'anim ɛna yɛde ba nti yɛwɔ 5 hospital beds, there were 6 air conditioners, there were 3 executive desks and 3 executive chairs. And then yes, you're sorry, and you're to say Iba have a beside Emma administration can say, oh, sign no more way in the year here, a war maternity block. Into Asanteman UK, Adaroma, and now almost this can buy, and they have to turn your money in about no more assume 110,000 Ghana cedis, 400. Also, and no one can think it to become one young fanka, but and I'm saying Asanteman Japadienti, your bone mine, send a bear, via a come. And then Yenina, your Hasi, Opemsuo Adaroma, so say to Ababu Adaroma, and not this our queen away at the Ama Yenina. And they can say, Jumedino at Dawson, you can for request some deband at Dawson. To our bunting, ye showing cry say, send a year reckon, Mawa Santisem. Here, into kakra one, Fabra name from support na Manhyia Hospital, Emfa, Ntumapa, Infra. The hospital no, when we say maternity block no, you get to Asanteman, and not maybe you had what also means. Into wow, hima, a dear that's we say, oh, business I won't from bar. Let's just say, I say, one more Asanteman in here. They can say, baby, all will be a so what brutally, so what Ghana. Kakra will be a Fabra name from Peja, Manhyia. Maternity block no and for see and year block no you will say year block no ama expectation now very very high na anka 30 bed hospital but see and you more beds at Ebema hospital no edimu to say just about 10 beds you about 40 beds account send a bear obia end that form say here say you bebu at 9 on the account we are prepared to do it as then a foundation DBI. From Kwesi Oduro Crunching, many portfolio manager Otumfuo say to the second foundation. A health side and Jumedia Bebre, ye dental. Nesene ye, a chedi or I demand for Nuni idea demand, and I'm crank so ye bore almost send a bear, so we need a modia would be ye, we draw back. Quite a before so baby saw be an in a yen, and to Jumedia, a dorsum, but can't count the dental outreach. Almost every week you call outside, you call schools, you call how to reach communities. Now you could treat you send a bear, you almost beson almost.